Hello and welcome. I'm back at Home Depot for the latest deals that they're going to be doing here for Labor Day, and I'm starting off here in the clearance section. So I did feature this in my last video for the Milwaukee M18 hatchet. They have that now down even further, another 20 bucks, so it's only $249. It was $299. That is their clearance price, so maybe check your store, see what they have it at. That's a pretty good kit there because it does include a 6 amp hour high output battery and a charger for that price. Another clearance deal they have is the DeWalt XR drill. It is a hammer drill, tool only, on clearance for 144 bucks. It was 179. And they also have a 5 amp hour DeWalt battery on clearance for 70 bucks. It was 99. And you can get a 2-pack of the Milwaukee work gloves. They have it on clearance for 15 bucks. It was 1988. And just a friendly reminder, I am doing a $100 gift card giveaway. The drawing is going to be at the end of the month or the beginning of September here. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. The criteria to be eligible to win is you have to be publicly subscribed to the channel, as well as comment in the video DIY Crasher Rocks. I'm doing this throughout this month. And here in the lawn and garden department, they have for Labor Day savings for 79 bucks. Is your choice of either the 18-inch universal hedge trimmer from Ryobi. This would be an attachment for the expanded version of the trimmer. And then the other choice is the expanded 9.5-inch gutter blower attachment. So your choice there is 79 bucks. That's good until September 3rd. And here's an actual Makita deal. For $198 on clearance is the 24-inch hedge trimmer. It is tool only. And it is rated at the 40 volt. So 24-inch hedge trimmer on clearance for only $198, and it was $279. And here's a newer deal out from Milwaukee for the M18. So when you buy one of these tools, you can get a free 5 amp hour battery. So the option is for $349 is the 14-inch top handle chainsaw. For $599 is the telescoping pole saw. $499 is the telescoping pole pruning shears. For $399 is the short pole hedge trimmer. And then $349 is the edger, and that's the straight shaft edger there. So again, you buy one of these tools and then you do get a free 5 amp hour battery that they say is a $169 value. Also listed here in the garden department from Milwaukee. So when you buy one of these two tool kits here, your choice of $249, and that is the pruning shears with a battery and charger, or the 8-inch hedge trimmer kit with a battery and charger. You buy those, one of those two, for $249, then you get a 2-pack of the 3 amp hour batteries for free, which is a $129 value. So excellent time to pick up some of the Milwaukee deals to get the free batteries. And just so you know, I will have YouTube shoppable links in the description, and to give full disclosure, I will make a little commission off of it. And it does help support the channel if you decide to make a purchase, and I do really appreciate that support. And here's a clearance deal from the Milwaukee M18. It is the Forge starter pack. So they have 2 Forge 8 amp hour batteries in the dual bay charger for only $379, and it was $449. I think it's a good time to pick up the DeWalt mower. It is the battery operated one, 20 volt. So includes 2 of the 10 amp hour batteries and an up to 80-minute runtime. And they do have it on clearance for 560 bucks, and it was $729. And it is a 21-inch cutting width, and it is self-propelled as well. It does come with a 3-year limited warranty and a 1-year service warranty. And they're running an awesome Labor Day deal on the Weber 2-burner Spirit grill. You're saving 50 bucks, so it's only $3.99, and it was $4.49. This is the Spirit E210 2-burner gas grill. It does come with the porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates to retain the even heat. These are awesome grills. I have one myself, the 2-burner one, and it is awesome. I do recommend it, and I bought it a couple years ago, and I paid $550 for it. So excellent deal at 400 bucks there. And they're running a good deal on the Traeger 22-inch wood pellet grill. You can save 100 bucks with this Labor Day savings. So it's priced only $449, and it was $549. It is the wood pellet grill, steel construction with porcelain coated steel cooking grates. And if you're looking for a grill that won't break the bank, they have this one that's a portable one. It's Americana Walkabout portable charbroil grill. They had that price at only 64 bucks. So this would make campsite grilling easy, or possibly tailgating. So you got your choice there. Different savings on different grills there. Pretty decent deals. So this is an example of what to look for when you're at the store, because many people might not be aware of the deals, which is why I would like to bring them to you. So they have a deal from DeWalt. It's when you buy one of these tools in the lawn and garden department, you get a free 9 amp hour flex volt battery, which is a $229 value. So your options to buy is the 60 volt max 17-inch attachment capable trimmer kit with battery and charger for $329. And then $349 is the 60 volt max 16-inch chainsaw with battery and charger. And then $299 is the 60 volt cordless handheld axial blower kit with battery and charger. So again, you buy any of these tools here, then you get the free 9 amp hour battery for free. So it's an awesome deal there to pick up. I will have a link to this if it's available online at this pricing. So again, this is just on a sign on an end cap, no, not signed anywhere else, but be sure you know what you're getting. That way you can know you can get a free battery or not. I often wonder how many people end up buying a tool, then they were entitled to get a battery for free and then didn't get the battery. Cashiers aren't going to know what deals are out there, so that's another reason why you want to subscribe to this channel. That way you're always aware of these deals. They're still running some good clearance deals on the Ryobi 40 volt chainsaws. They have the 14-inch one, tool only, for $112. It was $189. Then they have the 14-inch kit for $154. It was $279. Then they have the 18-inch chainsaw with a 6 amp hour battery for $224. It was $379. Pretty good deals there. So maybe check your store, see if they have some good clearance ones on the Ryobi 40 volt. And when you do go to Home Depot, you can pick up their Labor Day savings flyer that they have out already. So here's the example for that Ryobi one I showed you earlier with the 2 attachments. Well, you can pick up the string trimmer 40 volt for $159. That does include a 4 amp hour battery and charger. That's a pretty decent deal right there. And they also have the Milwaukee blower. It is the brushless 18 volt one, 500 CFM rating, up to 120 miles per hour, priced at $149. They say it was $199. They've been playing with the price this year. They've had it as low as $129, just so you know. And then also they have the Milwaukee 18 volt 16-inch chainsaw. It is tool only for $329. So pretty decent deal there. So be sure to check out the flyer. And here's another grill option too from Next Grill for $229 is a 4-burner gas grill. So that's pretty decent pricing. But I'd be leaning more towards the Weber. It lasts longer, it's more durable, and I love the cook on it more than the other grills. And then during the Labor Day time is typically another time to buy appliances. The deal they're having here at Home Depot is up to 35% off of select appliances. And then plus instantly save up to an extra 450 bucks. So they're doing like a BOGO deal. It's when you buy up to basically $1,995, you can save 100 bucks. Up to $2,995, you can save 250, and then basically 3,000 plus, you can save up to 450 bucks there. So pretty decent savings there on appliances. If you're in the market for some deals here, good time to replace them if you're in need of them. Labor Day is usually a good time to save on them. They do also have some deals on some different cameras. So they have the Google Nest Cam with the floodlight wired version for $209 as a special buy. They also have the Google Nest Cam 2-pack, outdoor and indoor battery operated ones for $259. It was $329. And then they have a couple options from Ring. So they have the 2K high definition video with the 2-way talk for only 70 bucks there. It was 100. And also another option, they have the 2-pack actually, the Ring starter set, battery, doorbell, and additional camera for only 80 bucks. So that's an awesome deal right there. And they're running a similar deal at Lowe's as well for this Warner 6-foot fiberglass ladder that's rated for up to 300 pounds, priced at 109 bucks. So that is the same price currently offered at Lowe's. And if you're in need of a new garage door opener, I do recommend this one by Chamberlain for $279. You can get this 3/4 horsepower smart ultra quiet garage door opener. It does have an integrated camera that's powered by the MyQ app, and also has LED lighting and a battery backup. So this is great for during power outages to have that battery backup. I have 2 of these myself. I have 2 garage doors, and I love them. And they're absolutely quiet too because they're on a belt drive. So excellent time to pick up that deal for only $279. and it was $309. And they have this Milwaukee 11-in-1 multi-bit driver. This is a great pickup, actually. I have one of these myself, and the thing that's awesome about it, it doesn't only have the screw bits that store in the handle itself, but these also act as nut drivers, both a 1/4 inch and 5/16, as well as a 3/8. So they have great versatility with the one tool, and also storing the extra bits as well. And it does come with Torx, slotted, and Phillips, as well as square. So very good options there to have all in one tool. And they have a good price at only $11.97. So it's an excellent time to pick up that. And they are running different deals from DeWalt for this Labor Day. So for example, they have the 20-volt max 2-tool brushless kit with a 4-amp-hour battery and charger. So it's a hammer drill and an impact driver for $339. That's saving $30 there. And another deal they have is the 20-volt half-inch brushless hammer drill for $169. It's saving $30 there. That is tool only. Then they have for $159 is a 2-pack of the 4-amp-hour battery kit. It was $199. Or you can save $150 on the 5-amp-hour and 1.7-amp-hour battery kit with the 4-amp charger. Only $149. That's saving $150. And then also the 1/4 inch brushless impact driver for $129, tool only, saving $40 there. Some pretty decent savings on those. And also notice that they just brought in also the 20-volt 10-inch miter saw. It is the double bevel compound miter saw, tool only, priced at $399. That'd be interesting to see how this tool performs versus the regular corded version run on a 20-volt battery. And they have a deal on the Ryobi 18-volt oscillating multi-tool kit with a 2-amp-hour battery and charger for only $79. It's a pretty decent pickup right there. And they also have a 4-amp-hour battery starter kit for $129. It was $149. I'd probably wait until they do the deals later on in the season, because that's not necessarily a great deal at $129, especially when they just had the Ryobi days when for $199 you get 3 batteries and a tool for free. So with the oscillating tools, not a bad deal at all. That's pretty good. All right, here's another awesome deal from Milwaukee with the Packout vacuum that they have, is the M18. It does come with a HEPA filter as well as different attachments as well. This is priced at $199, but when you pay for that vacuum by itself, but when you do buy the vacuum, you do get a free 5-amp-hour battery. If you happen to see my video I did the other day featuring the deals they are doing currently online, I featured this deal. The other option they offer online is the free impact driver. So you got a couple of options online, but I'll put a link in the description for this one. Excellent time to pick up the Packout vac to get that free 5-amp-hour battery. Excellent deal there. Now, is Home Depot marking these down again, or am I losing my mind? The Makita Mac Trax system. They have this large box on clearance for $97. It was $129. Then they had the rolling cart one with the wheels and then the extension handle marked down to $187. Was $249. Then they have another large toolbox, also priced at $120. It was $159. Then they have the Makita Deep Compact Organizer for $42. It was $55. And they have the Makita Extra Large Extension Toolbox for $97. It was $129. So I'm going to watch and see how low they'll go again, because they were much lower than this when they wiped them out of the store and then they brought them back in. I'm not sure what they're doing here. And they did finally mark down this Crescent Sight Runner table. It does fold up, so it has multiple shelves you can put tools and supplies on and cart around on job sites. Yeah, it's now priced at $229. It was $299. It does fold up to 300 pounds, so it's 100 pounds per shelf. And it folds up nice and small to be able to fit in the back of a truck or a van. And then be able to cart around the different supplies to the job site. It also has loops and straps to be able to store different tools in on the side as well. I think it's getting a little bit better price. I still think it's too expensive at $230. And they have a deal on this 30H all-terrain Husky folding cart. Clearance price is at $139, and it was $199. It does fold flat, and you're able to cart around different lawn and garden items, as well as job site materials and home projects. It holds up to 800 pounds. It has pneumatic rubber tire caster wheels that are 8-inch by 2-inch. I think it's a pretty good deal at $139. And you can save $10 on this Husky build-out rolling cart or rolling toolbox. They have it priced at only $90. It was $99. And here's a couple Ridgid options. They have the 18-volt half-inch drill driver with a 2 amp hour battery and charger for only 89 bucks. That's saving $10 there. Or you can pick up the 2-tool combo kit with two 2 amp hour batteries for 129. It was 159. It is a half-inch drill driver and 1/4 inch impact. And they're running some good deals on the Diablo pruning blades. You can go with either a 9-inch or 12-inch one. And each of them are 2-pack, so that you can get a 2-pack of the 9-inch ones for 9 bucks, or you can get the 12-inch ones for only 12 bucks. That's a pretty good deal right there. You could do pruning of trees and different shrubs as well as just wood. And here's other tools from Milwaukee that they're offering the free battery when you purchase a tool kit. So for example, they have the 2-tool kit with the drill and impact driver for $239. It also has 2 of the 2 amp hour batteries and charger. For $299, you get the half-inch brushless impact wrench. That's the high torque one. It's rated at 1,100 foot-pounds of torque. Then they have for $479 the 4-tool combo kit with the 4 amp hour battery and 2 amp hour battery and charger. And then for $399 they have the 2-tool combo kit with 2 5 amp hour batteries and a charger. So any of those tools, you do get the additional 5 amp hour battery for free. It's a $169 value there. And they're also running a deal on the 16-gauge straight finish nailer for $329. I'm not sure what the original price is on that, but I do have this one in particular. It's been awesome. It runs good. I like it better than the DeWalt nailers because it doesn't do that crazy like wind up thing that the DeWalt one does. But this one's just like ready to go and fire. And then running a deal on the Ryobi 18-gauge brad nailer for $159, saving 30 bucks. That's good until September 3rd. The time to pick up that deal, though, is actually when they were doing the Ryobi days with the battery kit and you get the free tool. And they do have a lower price on the DeWalt Heavy Duty 165 PSI Max 6-gallon pancake air compressor. They have that deal priced at $149. It was $179. All right, that's going to be the best deals I can find for this week in pre-Labor Day savings. So be sure to like and comment and subscribe. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.